Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The measure of an angle of a quadrilateral is 24 degree. If the measure of the other angles are in the ratio 3 is to 5 is to 8, what are the measures of all the angles? Now we know that sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees by angle sum property of quadrilaterals. Now we are given in this particular quadrilateral one angle is angle 1 equal to 24 degree and other angles are in the ratio 3 is to 5 is to 8. Now let's assume common factor in other angles Bx. So what do we get? Angle 2 will be 3x degrees, angle 3 will be 5x degrees, and angle 4 will be 8x degrees, right? Now using angle sum property, what do we have? We have angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 360 degrees. We simply put the values here. 24 plus 3x plus 5x plus 8x equal to 360 degrees. Now 3x plus 5x is 8x, 8x plus 8x is 16x. So 24 plus 16x equal to 360. So we can find 16x equal to 360 minus 24, which is equal to 336. So x will be equal to 336 divided by 16, which is equal to 16 twos are 32, 1 remains, 16 ones are 16. So 21. We got value of x as 21. Now using this value of x, we can simply find out measures of angle 2, 3 and 4. So angle 2 is 3x, which is equal to 3 into 21, which is equal to 63 degrees. Angle 3 is 5x, which is equal to 5 into 21, which is equal to 105 degrees. And angle 4 is 8x, which is equal to 8 into 21, which is equal to 168 degrees. So let's see what are the options. Yes, answer is option B.